I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along. You'd better be faster when we get to the right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just opposite that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Take evasive action! After that train! Engineers, after the harpoon! Excellent! Now, guys, shoot the cargo free! Pilot brakes! My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Shit. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, now the resistance has made some line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo, keep shooting. Job, my friends. Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Hit the boosters! Boost!
That's good. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You overheard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now I have to buy